PBS Kids.
Hey now, hey wow, here's how. Come and read between the lines. Come on, come in, begin. The world awaits. Between the lines, between the covers of the book, it's time to look between the lines. Behold the tales, beyond the tales, behind the door. We come explore. Come in between the lines. Begin between the lines. Be here between the lines.
Not Norman.
And now, Joy Lerno!
My next guest appears in a wonderful book called Not Norman. Please welcome Not Norman.
Thank you, Joy. But Not Norman is not my name. That's just the name of the book. My name is Norman.
So, it's not Norman?
No, it's not. It's just Norman.
Okay, Norman. I love your book.
Thank you, Joy.
In the story, you're a goldfish.
Yes, a pet goldfish. You see, the story's about a little boy, and
I
it's...
had a pet goldfish once. Her name was Goldie.
That's nice. Anyway, this boy gets a goldfish for a pet, but he didn't want one. So he was...
Goldie was so easy to take care of.
Well, that's true. Goldfish are good pets.
Except when we went for walks. The water used to splash on my shoes.
Why don't we take a look at the book?
Oh, the book! Right! Not Norman, a goldfish story from author Kelly Bennett.
When I got Norman, I didn't want to keep him. I wanted a different kind of pet. Not Norman. I wanted a pet who could run and catch, or one who could climb trees and chase streams. A soft, furry pet to sleep on my bed at night. Not Norman. All Norman does is swim around and 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 around. This is it, Norman, I decide. I'm trading you for a good pet. Norman doesn't move, not even a fin twitches. How can I trade him like this? No one will want a sorry-looking fish in a donkey bowl. When I drop Norman into his nice, clean bowl, he starts dipping and flipping, flapping his fins around. He looks so goofy, I have to laugh. Don't think that just because you made me laugh, I'm going to keep you, I tell him. Tomorrow, you're out of here. Norman blows a stream of bubbles. The next day, I take Norman to school with me. If I talk him up real good during show and tell, maybe someone will want him. On the way there, we see my friend Austin. Austin has a real cool dog and 7 puppies. Want to swap one of your pups for Norman? I ask.
Who's Norman?
Asks Austin. My goldfish, I say. By the time I rescue Norman, half his water is gone. I'm sorry, I tell Norman when we get to school. I'm really sorry. He just stares at me, all googly-eyed. Finally, it's my turn to show and tell. Just as I start to talk about goldfish, Emily shouts, "Jenny's gone! Who let my snake loose?" Does anyone hear the story of how I got Norman? Does anyone even ask to hold his bowl? No. They're all jumping and screaming and chasing the snake. Not Norman. He's looking right at me. Thanks for listening, I tell him. That afternoon, we go to my music lesson. As soon as it's over, I'm taking Norman back to the pet store. I take out my tuba and begin to play. I glance over at Norman. He's swaying back and forth. Glug, 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 he mouths. Look, Norman's singing, I say.
Pay attention
Snaps Maestro.
and try to play the proper notes.
Maestro makes me stay for extra practice. By the time my lesson is over, it's too late to go to the pet store. Don't think that just because you like my music, I'm going to keep you, I tell Norman. He clucks. That night, I'm sound asleep when... What's that noise? Yikes! There's something at the window. Then, out of the corner of my eye, I spot Norman. He isn't scared. He isn't swimming around in circles either. He glugs and gives me a little wave. I'm not alone. Together, Norman and I slide open the curtains. It was just a broken tree branch. Thanks for watching out for me, Norman. On Saturday, I take Norman to the pet store, just like I said I would. I look at the cats and dogs and snakes and birds. I look at the hamsters and mice and lizards, too. They all look like good pets, but they are not Norman. When I got Norman, I wasn't sure I wanted to keep him. But now, even if I could pick any pet in the whole world, I wouldn't trade him. Not Norman. The end.
Who knew a goldfish could be such a good pet?
I'll tell you what else are good. These weedy meat treats. Yummy. They're the best.
But that poor Norman, he kept doing all those things to help, and the boy didn't even notice. Well, until the end.
Yep. That's what you call an unappreciated goldfish. Now these weedy meat treats are very appreciated by me.
Good one, Dad.
Oh, hey, Cubs. Do you think it's time we go do that thing we talked about, huh?
That thing?
That thing?
Oh,
That
the thing.
thing.
Yes, the thing.
Yes.
We're going to help Mom with that thing. Yeah.
See, we're gonna go.
What's that, Leona?
Oh, nothing, Theo. Come on, Cubs.
Yeah.
Nothing, sweetheart.
Nothing? Hey! Hey, wait a minute! Who's gonna help me with all this? I can't believe that. They just left me with this mess here. Ugh. And do I get a thank you, Daddy? Or a hey, you go there, Theo? No. Boy, today I feel just like that goldfish Norman. Totally unappreciated. Axed! 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 Next!
Excellent! What's next on Between the Lions? Oodles and noodles of nonsense with the letter N! No kidding, dudes!
Not. N. N. Note. Nose. Nurse.
And now the Word Doctor with Dr. Ruth Wertheimer.
Hello,
Here's Dr. Ruth.
I'm Dr. Ruth Wertheimer. With another word that's tired of being what it is and wants to change. Isn't that right?
Yes, I'm hot. Hot all the time. Hot.
Okay, don't sweat it. I can help you.
I'll do anything, Dr. Ruth.
Okay, send your first letter, the letter H, away.
My first letter? I can't.
Okay, then you can stay hot. Change is up to you.
Okay, I'll do it.
Very good. Now, meet your new first letter, the letter N. Okay, you were once hot, but now you are...
Not. I'm not. Thank you, Dr. Ruth.
You're welcome. Not bad.
Capital N. Lowercase n. N.
Here in Oregon, these are some fun words that begin with the letter N. Nickel. Nest. Neck. 9. Nita. Nose. Net. Napkin. N.
It's game time, and welcome to the Blending Bowl. I'm Terry Bradshaw, and I'll be doing the play-by-play today for this incredible showdown. In red, we have Team and in white, we have Team Oodles. And there's the kickoff.
Oodles! Oodles! Noodles!
Unbelievable, what a play.
All right, noodles. Yeah, let's eat.
Well, that's about it, folks. And until next time for the Blending Bowl, I'm Terry Bradshaw. Hey, thanks for watching.
And now, coming up next, you will have the pleasure of seeing what's coming up next. Thank you!
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, presenting the incredible, daring Trampolini Brothers, performing the noisy, balancing ballyhoo. That's noisy. That's even noisier. That's the noisiest of all. Noisy, noisier, noisiest.
Folks, let's hear it for the terrific Trampolini Brothers.
N. Not.
Dad, give me that toy. Yeah, I don't. Oh, great! And now I have to answer the door too, I suppose. Can't believe this. What now? Oh gosh. There we go. Surprise!
Happy Theo Appreciation Day!
Theo Appreciation Day?
Yes!
We want you to know just how much all of us appreciate you.
Theo rocks! What?
Yeah, Dad. Because you, Dad, you're the best, Dad.
Oh, I love you, Daddy.
Oh, my little cutlets. Congratulations! They appreciate me. You really appreciate me.
Yeah, of course, Dad. So, Dad.
Yeah.
Dig in.
Oh, hey, I can't do this alone. So appreciate it.
I love fresh frosting.
The story you are about to see is recommended only for those who like to laugh. Ha ha. Thank you!
Me and my cat.
Oh, greetings. Computer Mouse is performing some maintenance work on library computer. Oh, no! Malfunction, malfunction. Computers are not supposed to smoke and spark. Oh,
Look,
dear.
there's
oh,
smoke
dear,
coming out of the
oh, dear.
computer.
Well, that can't be good.
Oh, no, I hope it's not broken.
Well, it sure looks that way. Huh?
Mama?
Oh, Leona?
Dad?
Lionel?
Oh, no! Lionel and Leona have switched places with Theo and Cleo. Oh, dear. Computer Mouse
Must be some kind of a dream.
This is too weird.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll say.
Yeah, really.
Oh.
You know, this actually reminds me of a story about a boy and his cat.
Really?
Really. Me and My Cat by Satoshi Kitamura. Late one night, an old lady in a pointed hat came in through my bedroom window. She brandished her broom at me and fired out some words. Then she left without saying goodbye.
Nicholas, wake up! You'll be late for school!
It must be Mom. It must be morning again. Mom dragged me to the bathroom and made me wash and dress. Downstairs, she interrupted my breakfast. Whew, she was furious. She carried me off to catch the school bus. I had gone, but I was still here. How strange, I thought to myself, pulling my whiskers. Whiskers! I rushed to the bathroom and looked at myself in the mirror. Leonardo, my cat, was staring back at me. But it wasn't him inside. It was me, Nicholas! I couldn't believe my eyes. I had turned into a cat. Don't panic, I told myself. I sat in the armchair to consider the situation carefully. I fell asleep. When I woke up, I felt a little better. I hopped onto the table and from there to the top of the shelves. What fun! I could never do this before. I decided to leap toward the cupboard on the other side of the room. Ready, set. Whoa! Oops! Whoa! Mom threw me out of the house. Time to go for a walk, I thought. I came across 3 mean-looking cats. Excuse me, may I go through? I said. No, go away. It's our wall, replied one. I think the wall belongs to every... But before I could finish my sentence, they were all over me. We punched and kicked and scratched one another until we fell off the wall entangled. A dog came running toward us, barking furiously. The cats ran away in all directions. It was Bernard, Mr. Stone's dog. He's a sweet dog, my favorite in the neighborhood. Thanks, Bernard. You came just in time. But he chased me out of the garden. Of course, he couldn't recognize me. So, this was the world that Leonardo lived in. Life was as tough and complicated as it was for humans. When I got home, I went into the house. Then I heard a scratching noise coming from the front door. It was me, back from school, trying to get in through the cat flap. But was he, me, Nicholas? Or was he, poor little Leonardo, inside my body? Once indoors, he continued to behave strangely. He scratched himself earnestly, and when that was done, he challenged his shoes until they surrendered. He licked his sweater clean, then spent a long time sharpening his nails. He found the goldfish particularly fascinating. But he didn't seem to like me at all. At last, Mom saw something was wrong with her son. She became so worried that she called the doctor and asked him to come at once.
Nothing to worry about,
said Dr. Wire.
He's just a little overtired. Send him to bed early and he'll be fine in the morning.
Mom was still very upset. She held him tight in her arms all evening. I felt sorry for them both. I climbed on Leonardo in my shape and stroked his cheek. He purred. Then Mom stroked me gently. I purred. and the pointed hat came in through my bedroom window.
Sorry, love. I got the wrong address.
She said. She brandished her broom and blurted out some words. Then she left without saying goodnight.
Nicholas, wake up! You'll be late for school.
I heard Mom shouting. Everything was back to normal. At school, Mr. McGuff sat on the table. He scratched himself, licked his shirt, and fell asleep for the rest of the lesson. The end.
Wow, you know, I feel just like that boy Nicholas when he got switched with his cat. Watch me pounce.
What do you mean? Whoa! Wow! You haven't pounced like that in years, honey.
Yeah, I got you pretty good. I'm going to do it
you
again.
did.
Pounce.
Whoa!
Oh, I missed you this time. Will you try me?
I'll pounce you now.
Okay.
Wah!
And now I'm going to pounce on you. Pounce!
Whoa!
Whoa! All right, you two. Keep it down. Isn't it fun, this switch? I like being Mama and Dad.
Hey, you guys, check it out. Yeah, watch me leap over this stack of books.
What?
Yeah! Didn't make it. Oh.
And I know just what Dad would say right about now.
What's that, son?
Cubs, clean up this mess.
Oh, yeah, you sound just like me, Lionel.
Thank you.
I have clicked every key on this computer and have not been able to switch the lions back into themselves. Oh, Mouse is getting anxious.
Hello, everybody. Please welcome my guest, Theo Lion.
Hello.
What's coming up on Between the Lions?
Well, let's see, Joy. There's a great video and a poem about cats. Did you know lions are cats, too?
Select videos. If you were
a cat, you would be a house cat or a wild cat. And whether you lived inside or out, you'd be all cat without a doubt. With big eyes, you'd see things moving in the night. Your ears could hear the tiniest sound. Your soft, furry feet, like bedroom slippers, would make you sneaky quiet. With paws hiding sharp claws, you would climb trees where a long tail would keep you balanced. If you fell, you'd twist in the air and land on your feet. If you were a cat, you'd hunt for prey, leap, and be king of the jungle. Then you would do what all cats do, take a cat nap. And if you were a wild cat, you'd nap in the wild. If you were a house cat, you'd prefer your nap in a lap.
Shh! Someone is sleeping in this book, Tabby Cat at Night, by Phyllis Root. Illustrated by Catherine McEwen.
It is night. Sammy is sleeping. But Tabby Cat is awake. Tabby Cat plays with her tail. Tabby Cat plays with a ball. Tabby Cat plays with a string. Tabby Cat plays with a piano. Now Sammy is awake. The end.
Cats by Eleanor Fargian. Cats sleep anywhere, any table, any chair, top of piano, window ledge, in the middle, on the edge, open drawer, empty shoe. Anybody's lap will do. Fitted in a cardboard box. In the cupboard with your frocks. Anywhere. They don't care. Cats sleep anywhere.
Pounce!
Oh, pounce right there!
it was not as much fun as I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, kids definitely have more fun.
Yeah.
Worry not. Computer Mouse has found help. Ta-da!
Now, don't be upset, little computer mouse. All you need to do is switch the motherboard and the fatherboard with the little Cubs board. Let's see. Okay, and there. Everything is now okie dokie.
I'm me again.
Me too.
Cleo?
Theo?
It looks like we're all back.
Yay!
By George, you did it.
Boy, it is sure good to be me again. Leona.
Yes?
Tag, you're in.
Oh, there they go again.
Aw, you know, Theo, there's really no reason why grown-ups can't play too.
You are absolutely right, Cleo, my dear.
Yeah.
Tag, you're it.
I wasn't ready.